Today I'm looking at Ultra Dent Tools fender liner remover, and I have to say I really like this tool. It's well designed, good time saver, and helps you remove fender liners, especially on BMWs. If you have a BMW, you know what I mean, where you get really frustrated working on a fender, and this will save you a lot of time and frustration. It's price point really well done and not too expensive. Something to put in your toolbox, definitely. I give it a buy recommendation, Ultra Dent Tools. Thanks.
I'm American made, but a large Chevrolet. My mama taught me wrong from